Hello friends, welcome to another new video from Health and Techie. Today we are going to see that how to make coco peat for plants at your home. So without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, you have to collect some coconut husks. You can easily make coco peat using dried coconut husks, but it is raining here, so I have to take the wet coconut husks. Then what you have to do is you have to pull out the five inner part from the coconut husk. You only have to take out the softer portions and you have to avoid the harder portions within the coconut husks. I am taking only a little here to demonstrate you how to make coco peat at your home. So you should take it in very large quantity according to your need. Okay, let me finish up this. Yeah, it is very hard to take out when it is wet, but when the coconut husks are dried, it can be easily pulled out. Okay, now I have almost finished up taking the inner parts from the coconut husks. I have collected this much, and if you want you can dry it for easy preparation of your coconut husks. Now what I am going to do is I am going to chop or cut them down into smaller pieces using a sharp scissor. You have to cut the portion of the coconut husks using a sharp scissor, and you have to make it into smaller slices about 3 cm in length. If you are finding any harder portions during cutting, you have to remove that portion. The softer portion is only required for the preparation of our coco peat. Okay, it's almost finished. Now I am going to add this into a mixer and grind it very well. You can grind it easily using a mixer. Okay, now I am going to add this into the mixer. If it is dried, it will be more easy to prepare the coco peat. Okay, I will show you after grinding. Okay, this is how it should be looking after the grinding process. You have to separate the fibers from the coco peat itself. Normally it should be in a dried manner, and then you have to add water to the dried coco peat powder. You can see still it is having some fibers, so you should remove the fibers from the coco peat. This coco peat is very good in growing plants. It can hold water and it is also rich in some organic matters. So okay, let me dry this after. Okay, this is how it should be looking like. There are still some fibers remaining in it, so if you want you can use a mesh or a mesh, and then you can separate the entire fiber from the coco peat. Okay friends, now what I am going to do is I am going to dry this coco peat, then you can use it late. So this is it for today guys. If you have any doubts, please let me know in our comment section, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe.